Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the Windows Update error code 0x800F0905 that you're experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'd recommend opening up the search menu and then type in update. Go ahead and select the best match, which should say check for updates. So go ahead and open that up and then proceed to check for updates and then install any pending updates that are available for your computer. And if there are any, go ahead and install them and then restart your device. If you're still having a problem, something else we can try here as well, if we open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one is the system file checker utility scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that first command is done running, go ahead and copy the second command. It's the DISM command, so then just copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window again, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Give this one a couple minutes to run as well. And once that one is done as well, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go. So hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.